thunderstorm watch number 405 remains in effect until midnight Wednesday, and now includes the following marine location: Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island, Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 405 remains in effect until midnight Wednesday.